welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Hannah, and today we're here at my desk and we're here to talk content. If you want to be a content creator, but what's stopping you is consistency, like actually making the time to create and then figuring out when to upload, and just, it's the night before you want to upload and you don't really know what you're going to do yet, but and it's just that struggle, which I've been there, believe me, I still am there sometimes. But this strategy I'm going to share with you guys today is here to help with all that struggle. In case you're wondering, my main platforms are YouTube, Instagram, and my podcast. Podcasting is kind of the same as what I'm going to share for YouTube videos. Those are the main places I post, so that's what I'm going to be talking about today. Let's just go ahead and get started. So first, with YouTube, you're gonna wanna pick a day to upload or a frequency to upload. So if you're uploading only once a week, which is what I suggest as a minimum, then choose what day you're going to post. A lot of people ask me if it's important if like different days of the week are better to post than others. Personally, I think your video depends on a lot more than just the day and the time of day you post. Obviously, people are on YouTube probably more in the evenings or on the weekends. Since my content is very productivity focused, I decided I wanted one of my upload days to be Mondays, because that's when people are like, passionate to get started with the week, get productive, coming back from the weekend, and then on Thursdays, because that's a few days later, and I wanted to post twice a week. And then you're gonna take a good old pen and paper, or you can use the notes on your phone, but I like paper, and write out all your video ideas. So all the different kinds of videos you wanna do, just like brain dump them down onto the paper. It can also help if your content is more specified. Let's say, like for my channel, I have a few main categories that my content will fall under: college related, entrepreneurship related, or productivity related. So if you guys saw my plan with me, how I plan my months, I'm gonna link it here and in the description box, because it goes more into depth on this. But I use an online software to help organize my content by the category. And then once you have all your ideas, all the content you want to do down, then you are going to assign each video idea to one of the days in your calendar. Again, I go through this more in the how I plan my month video, which I will link, but basically, idea number 1, maybe you upload next Monday, and then idea number 2, upload that Thursday. Idea number 3, Monday. So that's kind of how you're gonna assign each video idea to a day. And then I do this usually a month in advance, so I know at the beginning of the month what all my videos are gonna be for the month. I don't stick to this schedule, but it's nice and it gives me peace of mind to at least know what I'm gonna film and what my audience will expect, because I don't wanna do too many routines. I don't wanna do too many vlogs or day in the lives in a month. Like, I like my content to be different every week. So this helps me like keep it fresh, but also consistent. And then when you're ready to film, you don't have to think right before you turn on the camera, what am I gonna film today? You already know, oh, my next video is going to be a haul. So that's what I'm filming today. Now, you're gonna pick one day a week, if this is possible in your schedule, to set aside an hour or so to film. It's called batch filming, and it is the best thing that if you don't already do it, you're gonna love it. So basically, what I do is Monday afternoons, I've set aside, okay, I'm spending that time filming for my next week or 2 of videos. I usually do 2 videos during that time, which takes me about an hour to film. If you have a busy job schedule or school schedule, you can pick a Saturday and film for 4 hours and get all your content done for the next month in one day. You just need a change of clothes, a little change of hairstyle or makeup, or you don't even have to if, you don't want to, that's not on brand for you, but most likely you're gonna wanna look a little bit different in each video so people think that it's new content every week. Write out all your notes before so you know what you're gonna say in the video or show or do, and you're good to go. Obviously vlogging is a little bit different, but if you have like a basic just setup like this one, then it's easy to batch film. Then edit on your time. The nice thing about editing is you don't have to look nice, you don't have to worry about having good lighting. You can do it in bed, early in the morning, just edit when you can. And then I'm still trying to learn this last one, so this is a note to myself, but it is to pre-schedule your videos a week in advance. YouTube has a cool tool where you can upload a video under scheduled and choose the date and time that it'll go live. I know some YouTubers who are so on top of the game and they have their content out and pre-scheduled a week in advance, so they're never behind. And I'm sure that gives them peace of mind of knowing that there's content going up on their channel this week and they don't have to worry about it. They're just working on the following week's content. Instagram for me, I don't know, would you say I have a curated feed? I started using a preset, which makes my pictures look a lot better, but I try to post at least once a week on Instagram. If you really want to grow your following, I do think you need to post more. I know some YouTubers who post multiple times a day. That's just too much for me. I don't have that much time to take pictures and to respond to the comments and things. So this summer I've been trying to do more than once a week. And so to be able to do that, I am taking pictures everywhere. I take most of my Instagram photos on my phone. No shame, no shame. Your phone probably has great quality. So I just snap wherever I can. And I also recommend to take some video clips while you're there too. Even if you don't have a YouTube channel or you normally don't do video, IGTV and video on Instagram is becoming a big thing. You may not think so, but believe me, it's coming. And I know just in my feed, I stop when I see a video. And so I'll be scrolling, like mindlessly scrolling through pictures, and then if someone's video comes on my feed, I definitely stop. So if you want to do that and grow your engagement on your feed, on your Instagram, I definitely recommend starting to incorporate video. And so yeah, when your friend's taking some pictures of you against that cute white wall, just be like, oh, can you swipe to video and take a vertical video of me or a horizontal video of me, whatever you want, and just kind of like show your outfit that way too, just for a little something different. You know, it'll never hurt to have too much footage. I also recommend doing like a photo shoot 1 to 2 times a month. I put photo shoot in quotations because you can make this a big elaborate, like hire a professional photographer if you want, if your picture quality and all that is really important to you, which I think is awesome. But you can also just have a photo shoot with your friends. I recently did one with my friends. Bring different outfits, do each other's makeup and hair, and you all can get bomb content for your Instagram. And if your friends hate photos, they hate Instagram, they hate pictures, then I'm sure if you look on your Instagram in your local area, there's some aspiring photographers who need people to shoot for their portfolio that if you reach out, they'd be more than happy to do just like an hour shoot, and there you go, awesome content. What I started doing, since I'm now running multiple Instagrams, I'm running my own, my new products Instagram soon, and then also my event Chicago Creates Instagram, especially with more like the business Instagrams, more than my personal one. I'm spending like an hour or 2 hours a week on just planning the feed. So making the graphics, planning them in something like Planoly or Plan That app, both of those are good. Figuring out what the stories are gonna be, pre-scheduling that, writing the captions, setting a date and time to remind it to post, doing all of that. Again, 1 to 2 hours a week is probably all you need, and then you're not there with your phone in your car like, what caption should I put for this photo that I need to post because I haven't posted in 2 weeks. I've been there, and the captions are usually not that good when you do that. So if you're trying to grow your brand or your business, your following, you want to have captions that are, you know, good with your brand, funny, or give a story, something that's going to keep people engaged. And it helps if you do that more in advance when you're in more of a creative mindset. I also love mass editing features that VSCO Cam has, also like presets in Lightroom. You can just, in VSCO, you can press copy edits and paste to all your photos, and then in Lightroom you can like copy and paste your preset and your edits to all your photos. It really just helps, and it also makes your feed look nice when all your pictures are similarly edited. They don't have to be exact, you don't have to have a preset, you don't even have to use a filter, but just doing the same kind of edits to your photos really helps give a cohesive feed, as we all know, and it saves time. So guys, that was it for this video. All my content creation hacks. It's nothing grand or nothing crazy, mind-blowing. It really just takes dedication, and if you really want to do it, if you really want to create that content consistently, but if you really want to like grow your following or just create consistent content, create beautiful content, you're just gonna have to put your heart and your mind into it, because it does take effort. Yeah, if you've tried, you know it takes effort to get a cool photo and to edit it and to get engagement on social platforms. So do your best. I believe in you. I know you can do it. Just stick with it. Set a reminder on your phone. You know, if you work out consistently, make it like your workout. If you consistently go to the grocery store, make it like going to the grocery store. You just gotta do it. It's just expected every week. That's really how I've done it for so long. It's just expected. Like I can't imagine a life without thinking, what video am I gonna do next, you know, like planning out my content. It's just expected for me to upload a video every week, and now 2 videos every week. So that's just always in my mind, like I'm gonna do it if it's not done. So that is it for this video. If you liked it, share with your friends. I would really appreciate that, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, peace out, happy creating.